Okay, let's see what's going on here. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so that being said, right? What do we need to do? All right, so let's get on it, right, Mystique? Number one, direction. Where the hell is this thing gonna go? Well, let's see. We have to start looking. The big picture is what? Is the overall market direction. What's the entire environment of the price action today? Well, I already analyzed it, and I can tell you that it's sideways. What does that mean? Well, that's extremely important. Sideways means that we have a top and we have a bottom, and we don't expect the price to clean break it and go to the moon or go to hell. That's not going to happen because the overall market direction is sideways. All right, but that's just one. How about the future intention of the trend? You know, the one that we want to pay attention right now. Well, let me tell you, that one is. Give me 1 second, because the market is dynamic. It's changing all the time, and it's changing right now. Let me see, because it's changing. That doesn't mean that it's going to be different. It can change and stay the same. Hold on. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to have a hard time breaking 800. However, the future is that it will be broken, and there is a minor odds that the main move to take advantage of is to the long side. Oh, okay, terrific. When is that going to happen? We'll see, because right now it is the bears whom are in control. As long as there is no nice, clean, beautiful break of 800, the bears are in control. Now, with the future, we think that in the future the price is going to take 800, right? And go, I'll tell you where it's going to go, right? Of course, 805 and then more. But that's not important now. Why? Because the prices, as long as the price is below 800, then the bears are in control, and this, right? And the short term, therefore, is a short play. However, because we think, remember that we trade what we think and what we see. We trade both, right? It's only the amateurs that and all the fake gurus that tell you don't trade what you think, because you know that they have no idea what they're talking about. If you don't think what the price is going to do in the future, you have no edge. Our edge is that. Is it guaranteed that the price is going to go to 800, break it, and continue going all the way to the moon? Can I guarantee that?
Of course not.
Of course not, but that's what we think is going to happen. In the meantime, as long as the price is below 800, we short-term bearish, right? However, we're going to be looking for a nice, strong support. Take a shot so that we can be long below 800, therefore having an extremely the best risk-reward ratio possible, expecting the price to shenanigans 800, right? From here, from here, 93, and eventually break it. So we can, right? So this is like common sense. This is, well, it's common sense if you've been trading like I have been trading for going on 40 years now. So it's a tough day today. Okay, it's good. It's difficult. However, we're gonna trade our usual 3 units, 10 contracts, right? 12 contracts, 444, 9 contracts, 333, 10 contracts, 433, or 343, or 334. I don't know, whatever you want. Keep it as close as possible, right? But we're gonna get out 3 times. Target 1, target 2, target 3. Alrighty? Okay. So yes. Alright. So above 800, 805. Alright? That's how choppy this thing is. But that's where it's going. 805. Okay? That's where it's going. 805. Alrighty? Okay. And then let's see. And that's a destination, right? We might make it a target or not. As of right now, 805 is a destination. I'm going to say it again. Remember what I told you. We want to be long, right? Remember when I told you when the price was right here, 95, right? I told you this is a clean break of 93. We have to think about it again. Price is going to break 800 and we are on our way to 810. Okay, now are we gonna go there in one straight line, Mystique?
Of course not.
Alrighty, then we'll see about it. Those of you who had the cojones to take a long, right? Even though the bears were in control, just like I said, below 800, I told you, let's right, no. Let's these right here, 95 is strong enough. We want to be long before it breaks 800 so that we have a nice, juicy risk-reward entry long. And why? Because we thought that the price was going to go to 800, break it, and continue to 05. Right? Okay. So is that 05, Mystique?
Yes.
I believe it is. All right. Okay. So, okay. Now, think about it. This is just mathematics. Now the price is above 800. Who's in control? The bulls. Oh, terrific. So we have direction. We have the entry location right there, 95. When I told you this thing is going to break 800, continue going up, right? And then what's this, the stop? Well, the price is going to have to destroy the low, which, by the way, Mystique, remember what I said, 93 is not that strong, all right? It can be taken. All right, so we made 7 points, 8 points in a couple of minutes. What's the price doing right now? 800. What I told you, it's going to play with everybody there. You know? Okay, so let's continue playing until I change my forecast. Our mindset is still bullish. We know that the market can change any second. As a matter of fact, we have a bearish Adam and Eve right now. Okay. Why do you think the price just went from recoil from 06 all the way to 98 in a couple of seconds? We have an Adam and Eve, bearish Adam and Eve right now. Okay. All right. But that's short term. Okay. All right. So price came right back to 800, took it. What did I say? Smart money, they themselves haven't made a decision yet what they want to do with 800. Until I tell you otherwise, we keep with our target 1, 810. Alrighty? Now, are we gonna let it take 95, the entry, and take a risk? No, we never let a winner turn into a loser. So our job is to continue buying support, expecting the future to develop the way we said it was going to. All right? However, remember, 800 just happens to be a key level today. It's not only a psychological level, it's also a prosaical level. So below 800, who's in control? The bears again. And we just have a bearish Adam and Eve right there at 06. Okay? All righty then. I have to say it again. If you don't know the future, of course nobody knows the future. If you don't know the odds as to what the future is going to do, this action right here destroys you. Look at it. Boom. 97. A couple of points below 800. Comes right back down. We're going to continue with our plan. 810. I know that when I told you that the price was going to go to 805, 806 at the open, and we are already long 95, 96, 97. Oh, gee, of course. Price goes to 800, breaks it, and goes all the way to 5. We made 5, 6, 7, 8 points. I know that that a lot of us traders are locking 5, 6, 7, 8 points right there at 05. We don't want to take a chance, right? Of course. But we'll the important thing is that we're not all out. Price takes the entry, you get the hell out, because we're never gonna let a winner turn into a loser, but we have the future in our mind, right? So we're going to continue buying support because I still believe that the price is going to, and this is just momentum, by the way, because remember that we analyze the overall market environment and it's sideways. And the future intention of the trend is sideways too. All right? The pressure is a little bit bullish. And that's why we believe that is the long side, the one that we want to take advantage of. However, are you kidding? Those of you guys that took a shot short the bearish Adam and Eve 805, well, you didn't have time because it recoiled so fast, and by the time I told you we had Adam and Eve, the price was already down to 800, so we didn't even have time to counter trend short the bearish Adam and Eve 805. We didn't even have time to do that because it happened so fast. So we're gonna go with the longer term move. We can change hats any second, and I'll tell you, forget about 810 anymore. The price decided to the future down, and now it's going to test the low, and it's going here, and there. That can happen any second. Remember that that the market is dynamic, it's changing all the time, and we change with the market as well. So what do we have right now? Well, we have a bearish Adam and Eve right there at 05 that we know are really high probability setups, and short term, and we have a weak bottom right here at 93. It's not strong. All right. So in other words, the market is gonna play with us here, 90, 805. This 15 points. It's gonna play with us. Well, all right. So big. Okay. No sweat. Short term, we have a bearish Adam and Eve, and remember what I told you. This low right here is not solid. It's weak. Alrighty, the price is below 800. Okay, so short term, the Adam and Eve short, right? That goes all the way to the low, right? And then what is this? This is again this right here, 93. This is again the level by which the bulls, us, right? Those of us who are interested in 810, which is in the back burner, all right? Because we are fighting, look at this, all right? We are fighting the bearish Adam and Eve, and the price is below 800, okay? Remember the squeeze, all right? Those of you who still believe that there is a good chance that this thing is gonna go up later, remember the squeeze, right, which is 88, right, 88, 89, okay, that's the squeeze, 88, 80, here's the squeeze, okay, all right, so below 800, bears in control, short term, price is gonna go here, it's gonna play with everybody, the 810 people, they want to go long here, 88, right? So that they can ride it all the way to 810. And the short-term people, we know that we have, I told you, Adam and Eve short right here, 805. Price destroy 800. So there is a high probability setup bearish, 805, right? All the way to 803, 802. Price took 800, bears are officially in control, right? This is all short term. I told you 93 is weak. It's gonna be easily taken. Where to? Right here, number 3, to 88, which is the squeeze. Okay, the bears are squeezing the long all the way to 88. Alrighty, okay. Okay. All right. So what do we know then? What do we know so far? Well, we know that we have a high probability setup short right here, that we saw it at 802 only, right? Because it was so fast, we didn't see it at 805. We saw it right here. all right, and the price clean break 800. I told you at 9 a.m. below 800, we want to be short time because the bears are in control. Okay, so we're short 800 when we saw that beautiful clean break. We know it's going to go to the low 93, which I told you is weak. It will be taken. It got taken all the way to where? To 88 quarter. The squeeze. All right, so this 88 right here is target 1 for this pullback. 88. Okay, all righty then. All right. So the market is doing everything we said. Yeah, we wanted a continuation to 810. It's still there. Leave it in the back burner. We don't, right? We just want to be long, a strong support, right? So that we can, because if we still believe that eventually could be all morning long, the price is going to go on to 810, then we want to be long support. But the main play right now, the market just told us. I told you we had an Adam and Eve bearish, Adam and Eve. The price broke 800. Bears are in control. The low 93 is weak. It's going to be taken. And the price is going to go to 88. Look at this, 88.75. Okay, look at it. Look how the price just cannot take it. Is that 88 to the tick? Just tell me. Is that 88 to the tick? It is. This is target 1 for those of us who took a shot short, right, when we knew that 805 was a strong, high probability bearish setup. We didn't get 805. It would have been beautiful if we did. We just logged 5, 6, 7, 8 points of the long that we took. But we didn't counter trend short. We wanted to counter trend short 810, target 1 of the bullish one. All right, so price start doing everything that we say was going to do. Takes 800. We know it's weak. We know the squeeze is 800, right? Look at this. A whole bunch of bulls took advantage of this 800. Are they going to let it go back and destroy 800? Are you kidding me? The main play now is short. The bears are in control below 800. We know that since 9 a.m. So this is the main play. And 88 is target 1. Why is it squeezed? Because it's target 1. If it's target 1, then the reason it's target 1 is because there's going to find support. And look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many minutes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. And it couldn't take it. So where is target 2 for the main play short? Let's look for it. Okay, this is the obvious, right? This is the obvious right here, right? This is the obvious target. Okay, this is the obvious target 2 right here. Okay. All right, this is the obvious target 2 right here, 84, okay? All righty, okay, so we have 88 and right here 84, okay? This is the obvious target, this one right here. Even the teenagers on YouTube know that this is a double bottom, right? Which is the only setup that they know. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, remember our automatic counter trend, right? If this is target 2, then we'll know that this is an automatic counter trend long. Counter trend because the main play, make no mistake about it, and you know it when the price destroy 800 is bearish. You know it for a couple of reasons. One, it took 800, which we knew half an hour before it did. That if it did, that was gonna be the play. And number 2, we told you, we have mistake calling. Hey, listen, 805 is a very high probability setup short Adam and Eve, and the price takes 800, and we know that 93 is weak. Well, sure. What the hell are we going to do? Right? Main play. So it goes to 88. It stays there for all this time. The squeeze, right? And then it finally breaks it. Continue the squeeze. And then it goes to target 2, 84. And you all know that target 1, target 2, and target 3 are automatic counter trends. All righty? Okay, so what do we have then? Well, we have an automatic long this right here, 84, 85, 86 right here, price back to 88, right? That's number one. It's a counter trend long. And I haven't, sure, 810, are we going to go to 810? Well, that's a long shot, no pun intended. But it's okay. Until I change my forecast, we continue doing what I told you. Buy support, expecting an eventual 810. Sometime today, maybe. Until I don't change it, you want to continue doing it. Right? So, target 1, 88. Target 2, 84. Right? So, those are two automatic, and you know it, long. This is a squeeze. Price took it. Right? And then we're not all out of the bearish play because it only went to target 2. Target 1 is 88. Target 2 is right. Is when I told you, hey, listen, ladies and gentlemen, this bounce right here, target 2, right? So you know to go long. Expect 810 someday. Is it gonna be easy to take 93? Remember, 93 was weak. Well, now it's strong, right? Because look at the beautiful way it was taken. Okay, so the main play is still sure the break of 800 and target 3, right? Okay, well, let's see what it is. Okay. Now, I can tell you that this is all shenanigans, like I also told you at the open. Why? Well, the bears are looking to do the same trickery to the bulls. So in other words, I think that what's going on right here is the same thing that happened right here. So what's going on here at the low is pretty much pretty close to what happened at 805. All right, it's okay. We know we are in a counter trend long. We still have one more unit left for the bearish play. If the price goes, take a look at your P&L. You never let a winner turn into a loser, would you? And look at this move, 800 all the way to 83. How many points is that? That's 17 points, right? Okay. So we're gonna bring 800. We're gonna bring it down 2 points. Okay. This is the next resistance now. Okay. It's 98. So this is all gonna be shenanigans. Alrighty. A break of 98. Now, not 800. The bulls finally in control, and we went long right here, 84, 85, as we always do. It's an automatic entry because it's a target and you know to do the opposite. All right. Okay. Alrighty then. Okay. So what else do we need to know? Oh, okay. Well, the bears are still in control because the price is below 800, which is not that important anymore. And this is just this bounce is just a rally in a downtrend. This downtrend, this move from 805 all the way to 83, the 17 points is a downtrend. Make no mistake about it. Clean break of 804. We knew it half an hour before it happened, etc., etc., etc. Right? But we trade the future, and that's why we didn't hesitate in going long right here. Target 2, 84. Didn't hesitate. Why? Because we trade the future, and the future is 810, period. Right? Look at this baby. All right? That's it. This rally is too strong and it took your trail. Get the hell out of that. main play short, right? You're never gonna let a 17-pointer turn into a loser. It'd be crazy, right?
Turn around, fun house, it's 10 a.m.
Alrighty then, so we were long here, gave a 4, 5, 6, 7 points all the way to 9 out of 5. We knew that a clean break of 800 price was going to go to squeeze 88 and 73. We went long the counter trend, and I told you we're going to bring it down from 800 to 98. Mistake, correct me if I'm wrong, but is that 98, do you think?
It is.
Oh my God! And you get 97.5, and Wall Street, they want you to think that that the market is random, right?
Yeah.
How the hell are we gonna be able to know all of this if the market was random? Come on, what a bunch of criminal crew! All right, ladies and gentlemen. So, all right, so the bounce. Counter trend long, 84, 85, right here, right? That I told you, 93, right? It's okay. The real resistance is 98. I told you that. Price goes to 97.5, right? And what happens? Look at the recoil. Look at the recoil of 97.5, right? So what is this? Well, this is an add to a winner. Which winner? The Adam and Eve bearish that Mystique called at the open. So she saw it completely, right? We know that the main play is short the downtrend 806, 83, right? We know that. And we go long here, we go long here, and we know that it's going to go to resistance. And then this resistance is target 198. Is target 1 for the long 84, right? And now target 2 is the high 805. And target 3 is 810. It's all math. Remember the add to a winner, okay? Any long is a counter trend long. And 90A right here, 97, 90A, right, is an add to a winner or establish a new position short, because those of us who went short here, this area right here, and especially after the price broke 800, those traders that waited for the actual break, they didn't make that much because they only went short 96, right? Because they wanted confirmation. Well, 96 to 83, that's pretty good still. That's 14 points, 14, 15, 13, 12, 10 points, right? That's pretty good still. Okay? All right, so where are we at? Remember that day trading is about clarity. We must be in control at all times. What's going on right now? Quick summary. Long here, expecting the price to go to 805, 810. It went to 805 only, gave us 7-8 points. Then a violent recall, we call it, break of 800. We're sure, we know exactly where it's going. It's going to 88 and 83, right? 83 was dynamic. We saw it as it was happening. 88, we knew it. It was the squeeze. Oh, okay, terrific. We see the bounce. We know it's an automatic long. So where are we at right now? We are still short 1 unit of the main play, which is short. As long as the price doesn't take 98, 800, bears are in control. However, remember what I told you. It's all recorded. Because we think that eventually the price is going to go to 810, we want to buy support. Our last buy support is this one right here, 84, 85, 86, right? As when I told you. And what is it that we want? Well, we want the counter trend to destroy 98 eventually and get and give us a ride all the way to 810 that we've known since 9 a.m. That's what we want. In the meantime, those pairs took advantage of the recoil off of our resistance. 98 when added to a winner, right? Because they still have units, sure, and or they establish a new position, sure, believing that the price is going to continue going down. They don't know that a clean break of 98, there is a change of hat again, and the market, the price is eventually going to go to our target 810. They don't know that. Alrighty. So this is what I told you 3 minutes ago, right? What do we want? Those of us who went counter trend long here, the 83, 84, that we knew that 98 was going to stop it. The first leg was going to be all the way to 98. Is that exactly what happened? Yes, it was. And then what I said, what do we want? We want, this is what we want, and this is what we think is going to happen, that the bears don't know. It's going to take 98, and it's going to rise. This is target 1 right here for the counter trend long 83, 84. Target 1 is right here, 98, right? 98, 800. Target 2 is going to be the double top right here. Even the teenagers on YouTube, all the fake gurus on YouTube, all those all those scam, all those con people that tell all of us that they're real traders. Even they know this is a double top, right? So now, remember that 805 wasn't a target at the open because we were counting on the momentum to take it all the way to 810. And then bears came, we saw it, Mystique saw it, call it, and now we're gonna make it a target 2, 805. And then 810, it is 810 is now a temporary target 3. We might change it, I don't know. Let's see what's gonna happen here at this double top. Is the price nicely above 98? Not nicely, but it's okay. However, 98 is not as important anymore as 93. Here, 93, 92. All right? Just like I told you, hey, listen, remember when the price was here at 84, I told you the next resistance is now 98, and now I'm telling you, the first support is now 92. Okay, 92, and of course we know that 92, 82 is a 10 point. There's gonna be a tough cookie. It's okay. We'll manage. All right, but it begins right here at 92. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, right? It's a beautiful, nice break off of. Remember, we moved 800. We moved it a long time ago to 98. Clean. Look at this clean break of 98, right? It's gonna take us to here, right here. Okay. All right. So we are pulsing out target 2. So what does that mean? That means if you want to get the hell out right here of 6 as target 2, it's okay because I called it already, right? However, we need to continue measuring the entire price action to see if we actually want to get out target 3, 810, because remember what I told you, it's temporary. Yes, 05 is target 2, 98 is target 1, target 2, and then 810 target 3. It's a temporary. Let's see, because listen, if we don't have any reasons to get out, like right here at the open when we had the bearish Adam and Eve, we had a reason to get the hell out of the long. We had a high probability bearish play, so we had a reason. If we don't have a reason now, why are we gonna get out at 810? Yeah, sure. If you want to get out at 810, That's terrific because from 833, that's 25 points, and I understand it, right? However, let's see. Okay, let's see if, yeah, 810. 810 is a take profit. It is. It is. So we're gonna pulse it out as well. All right. Come on, baby. Give me 810. So in other words, all right. So think about this. We knew the future at 9 a.m. We knew that Wall Street, the smart money, wanted to take the price to 810. We knew it. However, they're not gonna take it just like Mystique said in one straight line. They need to take the stops of all the amateurs, right? And that's exactly what they did. We, on the other hand, we took advantage of the stop fishing because we went short also, and we went long too because we've known all along 810. Did we not? And this is how the cookie crumbles. This is how day trading is done. If you don't have all this information, what do you think? You think that you'd be still alive? Not. I don't know, but is that 9/4? I don't know, just saying. Is that 9/4? 3 ticks to 10. Not only 3 ticks to 10, look at the all the time that it's taken the price that it cannot take it. So what does that tell you? That 810, that, my friend, it's a real resistance. You know, do you see any? Did you see the way it took it? You know, look at that, 12. Oh my God, CAPI, I'm gonna get out here 12. All right, get out 12. No, you're not gonna get in trouble with me if you get out right here at 12. But you know that I told you 810 solid, but it's temporary. So what do? Let's see how he gets there. You know? All right. And that's exactly what we're seeing right now. So I'll ask you now, this morning at 9 a.m., right here, right? When I told you, hey, listen, the future is 810, and then the price goes to by way of 05, and then it recoils and it starts going down and all that stuff. What do you think most traders thought? Oh my God, this thing is going down. And that's why two things, they never went long, and number two, they got taken out, and they were too scared to go long because they had no idea what the future was going to be. We did. Right, so this is extremely important. Okay. All right. So 810, right? We got out here and stuff. Okay, but let me tell you, because of the volatility, I am expecting a continuation all the way to 17. So, oh my God, CAPI, so, make up your mind, man. Is it 810 or is it 817? Well, listen, we believe that the market is going to continue going all the way to 817, And I can tell you right now that 817 is a solid take profit. Now, are we going to go there and we're going to buy a Lamborghini easily? The price is not going to try to scare us? Of course it is. But in the horizon, I have a continuation to 817. All right? So let's do everything in our power to remember that the 3 units, unit number 3, right, you can split it. So let it ride to 17. You're not all out 810 in case that you took profit at 810. You know that we split unit 3. Just let it go to 17 and forget about it. Go play tennis. Let it ride to 17, and of course put your stop right there. And don't never let a winner turn into a loser. And ladies and gentlemen, I know it's early. It's only 10:30. It's unbelievable. We are on phase 7 now. Period. Phase 7 now. an hour earlier. That's all there is to it. All right. So phase 7. I kid you not. The reading that we did today was not simple. It was very complicated. Only here at Capital Trade Center we were able to trade this action. Okay, so 17, ladies and gentlemen, all out. Of course, we're gonna pulse it out like we always do, right? But 17, right? If the price goes and destroys and gives us 18, 19, oh my God, 19, 19, 20, 20, oh, okay, terrific, Let's do the best we can to, right? So we're gonna milk. That's 14, 15, 16, 17. We want 3 more points. Okay, alrighty then. Okay, and then listen. It's okay to be all out 17. So if you want to be all out 17, it's okay. All right, but we're gonna continue analyzing. We are on phase 7, and then we'll take it from there. Right? We can easily get back in. And remember, if we're gonna be all out 17, remember that that 17 and above is an automatic counter trend because, I haven't said it. So when remember that the main place was short, and then we went long 88, we went long 83, 84, right? And now we're enjoying the fruits of our labor. Then okay, terrific. And I told you, what do we want? We want the price to destroy 98. When the price destroys 98, invalidates the main plate short. So we now know that this move up, which began as a rally, is no longer a rally. This is the new trend. That's why we change hat. Right? All right. So this play now, the long, it's the main play. Oh, okay, terrific. Right? Where? At 98. Remember when we brought it from 800 to 98? At 98. We didn't have to wait for the price to destroy the entry short 806, the Adam and Eve, remember? No, we don't have to wait for the price. We know that a break of 98 invalidates that downtrend and makes the rally no longer a rally but an uptrend, and we knew exactly where it was going, and we still do. So we need to know all that stuff before it happens, so that when the price does what it does, we are prepared and we can take advantage of it. Right. So 17, we know 17 is an all-out level, right? We know that. Oh, okay. But you know what, Capi? I've seen it. I don't care. I already made enough to buy a Lamborghini or 2 today. So, and I only have just such a small position left. I'm just gonna let it ride. If it takes 17, terrific. If it doesn't, I don't care. I'm just going to let the price take my trail. That's it. So if it comes right back down and I don't make as much 17, so be it. I don't care. But that's what I'm gonna risk in order to even take more than 17. Okay, because that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna say it again. For you to let it ride, more than 17 all the way to 23, right? Which is the next. It is really the last resistance, right? For you to let it ride to where it is, here it is, 23, right? For you to let it ride to 23, man, that's not gonna be easy. Taking 17, my friends, that's not gonna be easy. So 17, is an automatic counter trend. However, we are in phase 7, all right, and this is as strong as it gets. This beautiful uptrend, right? That began as a rally, all right. But 17, 23, it's a counter trend, okay? Now counter, right? So counter trend. We know that the main play is long, so this is where we have a bigger position. Counter trend, just take it with the micros, all right? Listen, it's a big range, 17 to 23. That's 6 points, so that's a big range. Let's let's pulse it out. All righty? Okay. So let's go 17, and we'll take it from there. Nasty, aggressive, violent, right? All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's see. Okay. All righty. So price went to 15, right? We wanted 17. Price went all the way to 15. Oh my God, 15, CAPI. Well, 2 more points, man. We're going to buy a Lamborghini. All righty. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Phase 7, right? I've been telling you phase 7 for what? For half an hour now, more or less? Boom. All right. So, what is our real support? 92. I was telling you 92 just before. Oh my God, but 92, man, from 15. That's amazing. That's almost, oh my God, 15. That's 20 points. Look. All right. Look. All right. So this nasty, beautiful, right? Pullback all the way to 95. Don't mess with our 92, right? There you go. Okay, so remember our 10. All right, it's a 2-point range now. This is gonna be fun. All right, we are now, ladies and gentlemen, in a 2-point range of resistance. As simple as that. All right. So in other words, this action here where the price plummet 20 points from 15 all the way to 95, it's real. And this 2-point hour 810, remember 810 since 9 a.m. this morning, it's real. Support becomes resistance becomes support. It's real. It's a real resistance. So I'm not expecting the price to take this 2-point range anytime soon. What time it is? It's 11:07. We are already on phase 7. So we're not gonna let whatever happens take one single penny from what we already made. No, CAPI, but I want to continue trading, man. This volatility, we have to take advantage of it. Okay, let's do it. At all times, we want to know everything about the market. The price action, what's the reading, what are the market conditions, what's the pressure, what's the future, what's the price looking to do? Is this real? Is it going to continue? What's the next support? At all times, we want to know everything. It's the only way to trade the S&P 500, my friends. So this is going to be fun. Time right now, 11:10. So we know that 810, this right here, 810, it's really strong. We know it, all right? So as long as the price is below 810, the move up, the main play, right, that we took long from 83, 84, 85, that we did everything everything in our power to let it right to 17. We only got 15. Oh my God, we only made 30 points. Oh, okay, right? It's over for now. Chances are that we're gonna be out of here because remember, we wanna make in 2 hours what most people in the world make in 2 weeks, some 2 months, some, I'm gonna leave it at that, right? Okay, all right, so where are we at now? This 810 is real resistance, and this 95 is real support. So what does that tell you? We are in a canal. This is not a channel. Now, market is going to start lipping up and down 810, 95, 95, 810, 810, 95, 85, 810. Chop begun. Official chop just begun. Right now at 11:11. That's all there is to it. We've been on phase 7 already for half an hour. So stay there. Those of you who want to continue trading, what is it that you have in mind? Well, oh my God, CAPI, this is unbelievable. We don't have this type of volatility, that often. So I want to continue trading. All right, so what is it that we need to know now? Well, is the price going to take 95 and continue going down, or is the price going to take 810 and continue going up? That's what we want to know now, right? All right, well let's go for it. So in other words, this 20-point drop right here from 15 to 95, right? As long as it does, I gave it to you. I gave you 92 of 20 minutes ago. As long as it doesn't take 92, right? For those of us who don't trade scare money, stupid money, idiot money, scare money, no money, all that stuff, that we want to ride it to 17 and above, right? Because we know exactly, right? I told you, as long as 92 is not taken, the bulls are still in control. Price plummet 20 points all the way to 95, 3 points above our support, right? So in your minds, price did not take 92. Yeah, I know. I'm not gonna let it go 20 points against me, man. That's not the point. The point is that you still want to be long. So what is it that we're measuring right now? The canal 1092. One of the two is the one that is going to be taken first. So price goes to 95, cannot 3 points above. That makes our 92 real strong. What do you think is the level that is going to be taken next? 10. And where is it going to go? Now 17 is no longer a target. We're going to move it up. Where to? I told you, 23. Oh my God, CAPI, unbelievable. That's right. That's what we're going to do. No, CAPI, but it's too late. It's 11:19. Well, go play tennis. I don't play tennis. I don't play golf. I don't play none of that stuff. I'm going to stay trading, and I'm going to milk the market. I'm going to milk it because I'm going to take advantage of the volatility that we have in today, all the way till the end, right? That's what we're going to do. That's what we traders, professional, full-time trader, this is the only thing that we do. Gonna be easy taking 10? Of course not. 10 is the high of the canal rectangle. 10 is the high. A whole bunch of people went short right there. But remember, we trade the future. All right? And we want to know what the main direction is. And the main direction is still bullish. Okay? So let's go for it. Okay. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, you're not going to believe this, but 800 is back in business. 800 is again, so remember how we play 800 from the open? Is back in business. Above 800, we are on our way to our 17 and 23. Boom! 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. This is how it's done. So look how vicious this smart money is. They know they want to go to 17. So what do at 15? They destroy all the amateurs, all the retail traders, God bless their soul. And then what happens? It doesn't go to our support, 92. We know how strong it is. So as long as it doesn't take 92, that's our trail, we remain bullish, right? So it shaded out a lot of amateurs. We, professionals, those of us who've been trading this for almost 40 years, we know better, right? Not only we are on phase 7, not only we've already have a pretty good green P&L day, we want to milk the volatility today, right? So we still have one more ammunition, and we're going to let it go to 7. If you want to be all out 17, I'm okay. I'm going to do everything in my power to go to 23, 22, 21, 20. All right? That's what I'm going after. Okay, let's see. So long story short, all these people that write books, they're not real traders. There are thousands of trading education books out there from people that are not real traders. And if they are, they don't prove it. They don't read the market like we do here live, real time, as it's happening. They don't, right? But they write books just so that they can sell their garbage trading education. So they don't know the difference between a swing low and a pivot low. This 07 right here, this 07 right here, okay, is a pivot low. All right, so we're gonna pay real close attention to it. We still have the 05, so at 07, the volatility is gonna shake everybody out, right? So we're gonna see how the price behaves here, beginning 07, all right? 07, 05. It's a 2-point range that the bulls must contain if they want to be in control. They cannot let the bears take 05. That range right there, period. As long as it's holding, then that's support, right? This drop from 12, look at this, from 12 to 8, this 4-point drop in 4 seconds is the vicious smart money shaking the last of the bulls. That's exactly what they're doing. We know better. Do we not? Let me say that again. Right? It's 805 are gonna be taken. Well, no, we don't think so, right? Okay. 95, right? This 95 right here. This 95. It's really good. It's really strong. Okay. So if the price takes 805, it's gonna be tough for everybody. We don't want it to take it if we want to ride it all the way to 23, 22, 21. Okay. Alrighty then. So this 96 right here, this 96 is a swing low. This is a swing low. This one right here, this is a swing low. This one right here. Okay. And this one right here is a pivot low. Okay. So that's why if it takes it back and forth, up and down, we still are of the mind that the price is going to continue going, because that's what we're looking for all the time. What is the price going to do? Is it a continuation? Yes. Okay. So where is it going to go? Where is the place that is going to stop it? Where is the place that the price is going to break? And where is it going? That's what we want to know all the time. All righty. And that's our frame of mind, is that one still. So we let all these levels tell us exactly who's in command. Okay. So why is this day such a beautiful day? Because it's extremely difficult, and that's exactly what we want. So that we, with the smart money, take all the stops of all of those traders wannabe that dare to put real money into this endeavor, and so we can take it, right? And the more difficult day trading is, the better for us, because we are profitable every day. Oh my God, Capi, don't say that. That's crazy, man. People are going to think that. Hang around this room and let's see if we're not profitable every single day. Even a day like today. A day like today, a lot. All right, so we're going to move 10. We're going to move it all the way to 12. Okay? 12 is now the key level that the bulls need to take to continue to 23. As long as the price is below 12, the bears are still in control. All righty? Oh, okay, no big deal, because look at the time, it's 11:46 already, right? But those of us who want to go to 23, we need to we'll be comfortable holding the position once the price takes 12. As long as the price is below this 12 right here, the bears are in control short term. All right. So what's our okay, Capi, so what's our next support? 05. Gave it to you a long time ago. All right. 05 and 05 and. No, please, are you kidding me? 05 and 05 and 93. Okay. So the squeeze, right? Look, 05 right now, right? So for the bulls to continue going to 23, they don't want us to go with them, so they're gonna take all this stuff. What time it is right now? It's 11:47. Chop began. Where are we? Phase 7. Where's your P&L? Nicely green. That's it. Leave it there. You want to continue trading? Buy support. Buy support. Short term, however, you know that as long as the price, so this is now the canal 912, just like we did it before. Remember 12, my friends. 12 is not gonna be easy to take, but if it's taken, then nicely it'll continue to 23. That's all there is to it. Okay, 12, A12. Okay, all right. So A12, right? Oh, okay. So bear now, yeah. Price is below A12. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so oh my God, so it's gonna be horrible, man, because it's gonna chop me to death. Yes, that's what the market does at this time of day. Are you surprised? That's exactly what the market does. Okay, so, all right, but we believe, like at the open. Remember at the open that I told you we're gonna go long below 800, even though below 800 the bears are in control, but we're gonna go long because we trade the future, and we believe that the market's gonna take 800 and it's gonna go all the way to 810. It was a challenge, but it did, right? And we took advantage of the counter trends, and with the trend, that's exactly where we are at right now. Again, with the difference that we had beautiful volatility at the open. We don't have that beautiful volatility anymore. So now it's gonna take longer, and it's gonna be easy for the smart money to shake everybody out. That's why we are on phase 7. And we have 12, and my friends, and we have so we have a channel actually, right? 12, 93. Here it is. Okay. 93. Okay, 93. Boom, bam, bing. All right. This is so 93 to 12. Oh my God, that's a lot of. It's a big channel. That's what's going to happen from now on. It's almost 12 noon. What do you expect? So you're clear, right? 912. Bears in command. We believe the future is going to take it. Go to 23. What's the price going to? Because remember, not only we want to know where the price is going all the time, but how it's going to get there, right? And this is how it's going to get there. We have all these little levels of support resistance of 5. We have the all OA. These are not that important anymore. The ones that are really important are this one, 93, 812. We think that we know what the price is going to do later on, but if it doesn't matter, because we are already extremely profitable for today. And this is, my friend, how the cookie crumbled. The only way that this action, that the S&P 500 can be traded, you need to be in complete control all the time. Just like with being in complete control. What is complete control means? We need to know at all times what the odds are as to exactly where the price is going to do. And remember what I told you. Direction, location, protection, destination, position size, trade managing, and account management. Right? So that we take full advantage of every single day price action. And this, my friends, this is how the cookie crumbles.